Hello, what's up, mindful traders? Today I want to talk about how do crypto trading bots work. I'm going to give a quick overview. It's not going to be such a long video. Talk about how do they work, what strategies do crypto bots use, what platforms can you use them with, what exchanges, and make it very concise. So I'm going to tell you just a brief overview now with my face, and then I'm going to remove my face so that you have more a clearer view about the platforms and how they actually work. So just a quick overview, trading bots are basically how you can automate your trading. And I'm going to speak specifically about crypto today. That's what I speak about on this channel, how to use crypto trading bots. And what they do is basically they're buying and selling for you. They're ideally buying and then selling at a profit. And they can, of course, make mistakes, but depends on how you set them up. I'm going to show you how I use dollar cost averaging bots. Those are the ones I used. For short, they're called DCA bots. Okay, let me take you to the platform called 3Commas. That's what I use to trade with my DCA bots. And I'm going to also show you what you need to get started. Although I would not recommend to get started just yet. This is just an intro video, and there's a lot more that you need to know. So this is 3Commas. This is the platform. This is my account. As you can see, this is my real account. I have 4,000 US dollars in it. It's a paper trading account. They give you a trading account once you upgrade from the free account. But of course, you can start for free, actually. So this is just to give you an idea of what is trading bots. And you'll be able to see my settings. But there's a lot more to learn. And I would not recommend to jump into it right now, especially with the current markets. I would just wait. But this is for your curiosity, and I know there were some people that were asking how do bots work. So dollar cost averaging bot, which is what I use. Here you can see on the side the different trading bots that 3Commas offers. There's DCA bots, grid bots, option bots. Those are the three that they offer. I like DCA bot because it's the simplest. And to give you an idea what dollar cost averaging means, let me just open a deal, for example, on UNI BUSD. This means that this bot is trading UNI and BUSD for me. BUSD is Binance US dollar. And to give you an overview of what it looks like, here each candle equals 4 hours of time. And what the bot does is basically it takes profit at 2.9% increase. But if the price is not going up, it's going down, then the bot is buying as the price decreases. So here on the bottom you see the words the beat. This is the places that the bot buys at, which correlates to this trend, this graph. So the first time was that bot was here, then the second time bot was here, third time was here, no here, sorry, then here, and then here. You can zoom in, yeah, here, and here. So what does that mean? Basically, as the price goes down, the bot is buying more and more. The amounts that it buys depends on the settings you put, but I put it so that it's incremental. So maybe it buys 10 US dollars to start with, then 15, then 20, then 30, then 50, then 60, for example. I don't know exactly how much it is because I've simply copied actually some of these settings who showed that they worked really well. But this is what a deal would look like, for example. This one has been running for quite a while, since the 16th of Jan. And this is actually quite a long while for bots. Usually bots can turn over profit quite quickly, but since we're in a downtrending market, the bots are a bit slower. That's the unfortunate part about this current settings I'm using. But as you can see, the benefit is that if I had just bought at this price, the 17.77, which was the initial buy price of the bot, in order to take profit, the price would have to go up all the way back here towards 17.75, right? But that would just break it even. So it would have to even do 1.5, 2 or 2.5% increase in order to make that 2.5% profit. To give you the example of what I use, I make my bots take 2.9% profit. So that's why you can see here, there's this yellow line, and then there's this green line. Yellow line is average buy price, which means that it's the average price of all these buys along the way down. And that's why the more the bot buys, the more the price goes down, the heavier or the bigger amounts of US dollars the bot buys in order to bring the price down more. Hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, leave it in a comment. I respond to everybody so far. Anyway, so it brings the average price down, which means that it brings the average take profit price down. And I always ask for it to take 2.9% from the average buy price, which is, yeah, pretty much here. So as you can see, it's 2.9% profit above the average buy price. So it's always going to make profit every time it closes the deal. So basically, it'll sell the uni that I have at 13.94. Hope that makes sense. That's how the dollar cost averaging bot works. And as you can see, I have quite a few running right now. Unfortunately, the oldest one is my SAND BUSD pair. It started, you can see this here, on the 26th of December last year, which is a bit of a pain in the ass, because that means it's been running for almost a month. Right now it's the 24th of January. So that's not cool. There are things that you can do in order to speed this up, but as the current market is looking, I don't really want to touch them. I just want to let them do their thing. And you can see that the one that was created the soonest, as it's sorted by created date, was the 20th of the January. So 4 days ago. And let's see, hopefully it closes soon. Here you can read basically where the bot is with its deal. The deal meaning where the current price is and in correlation to where it wants to take profit. You can see here that the average buy price is 71.7. This is what you can see. You can read. But the current price of Luna, for example, this is the Luna deal, is 69.8, and it wants to take profit at 73. So that's how you read this. And as you press refresh, depending on how the price moves, this little bar will move. And of course, they're all going to be in red unless they're about to take profit. So the take profit is with this little space here, which is 2.9% from the average buy price to the take profit price. If we look at Luna, just to give you a quick example, this is what the Luna chart looks like. So this is where it started, then bot, and that's it. And there it's going back up. Let's see. Hopefully it hits the take profit. If not, it's going to be a bit of a pain in the ass because then it'll probably go boop, 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 and it won't take profit for a while. Now you might be wondering, how many times can it keep buying? Well, I have one more here for Luna. There should be another one, but I don't have enough funds in my account actually, which is why it's very important to have enough funds for your bots to play with. So if Luna had gone this low, it would have hit this safety order, it's called, and bought again, bringing the price down even more, which would have been great because then it might even have taken profit already. But it didn't, and it's okay. In trading, you need to learn how to be patient and mindful. That's why I'm calling you guys mindful traders from now on. And yeah, so that's basically how DCA bots work. Now, what exchanges can you use with this? These are the exchanges I have linked. You can use almost any exchange actually. Look, when you scroll here, you have a ton of options to link with 3 commas, Binance, Bitfinex, all the main ones, FTX, Huobi, Gemini, Coinbase Pro, Kraken, KuCoin. You can link as many as you want actually, even in the free version of 3 commas, you can link as many as you want. The free version allows you to have 1 DCA bot and only 1 smart trade. I won't go into smart trades right now, but I was on the free trial for a very long time. I just wanted to do more smart trading. And here's how much money I made. So here's what my bot's been doing. So it always gives you 30 days, a 30-day view, which is a bit annoying that you can't do more in 3 commas, but oh well. And as you can see, it was doing, well, here's the profit per day. $5, $11, 4, 3, 3, 3, 3. Big day, 20, bum, 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 bum. Yeah, 29 average. And then here, since this is when the market started really crashing, from the 17th of January, there hasn't been much profits being taken. So there is not a big benefit to running bots when the market is tanking, but luckily, just to show you how the market looks, the market doesn't crash like crazy like this that often. As you can see, this was the 17th, which is when my bot started not taking as much profit, and we've just had red days. So I'm expecting maybe today, maybe tomorrow, we're going to have some profit days, which will be super nice. But it all depends on how the other coins react. As you can see, I did not have any Bitcoin coins in my list of deals, because what you want is coins that will fluctuate a lot in price in order to take those safety orders in order to get more profit. As I put, that I need to get at least 2.9% profit for each deal to close. Hope that makes sense. If you know what you're doing and you can read settings, and these are the settings that I use, but I will explain everything in much more detail in another video. This was just to give you a basic overview of what a dollar cost averaging bot is, how it works, and to give you an overview. I will tell you one last thing, which is how much you would require for each deal. So this is one deal, the Luna is one deal, Uni is one deal, FTM is one deal, DOT is one deal. It's about $300, $300 US per deal. What does that mean? That means the maximum that a bot can use, for example, if they filled maximum seven safety orders, so the bot buying 7 times as the price goes down, would cost about $300. So you can see here that Uni has bought about $190 US worth of Uni, and it has completed 6 safety orders. There is 1 more left, maximum is 7. So once it buys this last one, it'll have been about $300. The last safety order is the most expensive, of course. As I said, the amount of US dollars that it buys as it goes down increases. So if you're going to start a bot based on just the information I gave today, make sure, super important, that you have at least $300 for your bots to play with. As especially with these settings, it's important that the bots can cover all its safety orders. Yeah, that's all for now. Make sure to subscribe. I would really appreciate that. I'm really trying to grow this channel. I'm going to be posting every day. So let me know what you want to know. I've been doing bots since last July. It's almost a year now. And I've been trading for over almost 2 years now. So deep into the crypto markets, loving it. I started with an account of 3,000, cut it in half with stupid mistakes and learning errors to 1,500, and now I brought it up to 4,300. So if you want to learn from me, I can say I've been through the trenches and I brought myself back up, and crypto trading bots are one of my favorite tools that I don't need to pay attention to and that are pretty consistent. So leave a comment about whatever you want to know, and much love.